In this video, we are required to solve for x, given that the square root of x plus the square root of x plus 5 is equal to 5. The best possible way to go about this type of question is to look at the radicals carefully and know which one to pair with the ordinary number here, and then we can take the square of both sides. It will be much easier to move this guy to the right hand side, so we are left with this more complex looking radical just on the left hand side. So to do that, I'm going to write the square root of x plus 5 on the left hand side, and like I said, I am going to move this to the right hand side so that I have 5 minus the square root of x. If I take the square on both sides now, this will become this will cancel this, and I am left with x plus 5 on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side, using the identity a plus b squared is equal to a squared. Let me put minus here. So that will be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So it means here I am going to have 5 squared minus 2 into 5 into root x, then plus root x squared. This will simply cancel this. If I tidy that up, the right hand side would give me 25 minus 10 root x, then plus x is equal to x plus 5. Because I have x on both sides, I can simply subtract x from both sides. So I'm left with 5 is equal to 25 minus 10 root x. I can also rearrange this as 10 root x is equal to 25 minus 5, which means that 10 root x is equal to 20. I can go ahead and divide through by 10. So that my equation now becomes, after this cancels this, I have root x is equal to 2. Then I'm going to square both sides to get rid of the radical. And as you can see, this cancels this rather. Therefore, x is equal to 2 squared is 4, and this is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.